is the fourth quarter. Okay. All right. So we're gonna start our warm up. Okay. We're gonna play Ultimax, huh, guys? Young boys, but we play hard like we play any other team. All right. Give them that respect as well. All right. We start from warm up. All right. Get locked in, and then we go from here. All right. The game starts now. All right. Let's go, team. Team Saints. Oh, passing on. Team Saints. Let's go. All right. Let's go. Line up. 2 lines. Let's go. Quick. 2 lines. Ah, shit. First basket miss. Pass and clear. Yeah, Jax. Go, Sebs. Yep. Yeah, get up. Okay, not outside. Not outside. Start from inside. Okay, let's go. Hey, good game, girls. Zipper, but the zipper play will always be on JJ's side for the pick and roll. So we try to use him on the pick and roll most of the time. Defense finish that, let's get it. Half. We'll go on half zone now. Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'm daring this. I dare you to score 3 pointers.
What?
I'm watching you.
You dare me to shoot how many?
3 pointers.
Okay. So every time I shoot, I'm gonna look at you. Where are you gonna sit? Okay, every time I shoot, I look at you. So you sit there. Okay, I'll give a point guard. We'll get JJ on one side. Sorry, JJ here. Malcolm in the middle. Hey, that's a show. Malcolm in the middle. And then we got Don here. Togens on the side. Okay. JJ, the ball will run zipper on your side every time. All right. So Malcolm, you guys are double screen. Okay. If Nanox you come in for Mal, that's you double screen. If you come in for Mal, you're double screen. If I pass the ball to you, you come inside the paint, take that shot from the paint. If I come off the double screen, I'm gonna come to the elbow. I'm gonna come here. All right, we take the high percentage shots. As the game goes, whoever feels it, you move out, start taking those shots from outside.
Zipper's playing number 1 first quarter, so you guys feeling on 2 and 3, Don and Tony. Let's go, team.
Thanks. All right, let's go. Let's go, Jay. Put on the bench, energy. Get ready. And then you come back. Get right there. Mal, I got you on this side. Hold it. Don't take it. Hey, set up, deeper. All right, this side, Malcolm. Set it, go through. Kitubla. Malcolm. Let's go, stay there, Jay. Stay up there. Mal, drop here. Mal, go. Home. Paula. Yeah. I stepped up for the shot and there were 2 guys here, so we need to replace and box out. All right, find your man first. Okay, let's go. Mal. Zipper! Down here. Start from JJ. Yeah. 1 in 4. Yeah. 1 in 4. JJ, stay there. Here, Mal, watch him. Mal, come here. Step up. 1 in 4. Mal, stay inside. JJ, 1 in 4. 1 in 4. JJ out. Go through. Don't come through. Come through. Tox, go up. JJ, stay there. Go all the way. Toss mine. Done. Come through, Don. Don't squeeze it, Tokens. Trouble. Trouble. Hey. He went like this and then took another extra step. Oh, come on. Foul there. Yeah, Tony. JJ out. No, hold on. Go inside. JJ, come through. Yeah. Open ones. 3 seconds. Just look at how long and stand up inside, Lo. 3. It's like more than 4. 3 seconds, 4 seconds. Shoot, buddy. Good job, buddy. That's okay, buddy. Oh, come on. Let's go. Oh, good, I got you. Good D. Hey! Let's go! We got 2 here. 2 here, 2 here. So, buddy. We got 2. Last 20 seconds is a learning point. Okay. So get this in the last 20 seconds. But that means there's no shot clock. There's nothing else. We have the ball on our side. We have one play to do. All right. Run it, pass around, shoot when it's 1 or 2 seconds. All right. We left so much time for them to get the quick break and then they just score an easy ball on our miss. Okay. All right, it's unlucky. I know Will had the open shot there, but we have to be smart on the last play.